creatures from another planet on Holland's North Sea coast. As soon as the wind blows, they start moving. Their creator, Theo Jansen, calls them strandbeests. The 66-year-old Jansen has made a name for himself in the art world with them, but he doesn't feel comfortable with the label artist.
I don't feel like an artist. I still feel an alien or an Eskimo, whatever.
Theo Jansen likes to experiment. His strand beasts are complex constructions made from simple materials that he buys at the do-it-yourself market: string, cable ties, and the kind of plastic tubes used in laying electric cable. He first started working with the yellow tubing in 1990. That was when the strand beasts were born.
And then I played for an afternoon with the tubes, and at the end of the afternoon I'd seen so many things in there that I decided to spend 1 year on the tubes. And that's 24 years ago now. It went just on and on. It couldn't stop. And it became a serious addiction, you could say, to the tubes.
Over the years, Jansen has kept improving his constructions. He builds legs, joints, and spines out of the yellow plastic tubes. Before he began creating art, Jansen studied physics. His work on the new species certainly requires a knowledge of physics and plenty of improvisation.
In the meantime, put a new one in. So there were specific tools which were developed during the years, which are just made for strand beasts. You cannot use them for anything else.
Strand beasts have sails like ships, and they move when the wind blows. When there is no wind, they're powered by compressed air from built-in plastic bottles. The beasts can even store wind power and use it like a battery. And if a storm blows up, they anchor themselves in the sand with a post so they don't fall over. Built-in sensors stop the beasts from running into the sea. Jansen keeps making his creatures more and more intelligent.
I want to make a new nature. So I don't want to make an imitation of the old nature. And I want to be the shape, not as a beautiful shape or a reference to something else. But the shape has to be just functional. And this turns out to be the functional shape of the beasts.
But as in nature, Darwin's law is in force: survival of the fittest. Theo Jansen has built several generations of beasts in the last 24 years. His goal is to have them live on without him. And this evolutionary tale is far from over.
It's fast, isn't it, for evolution? But I have to be fast because I don't have millions of years. Maybe I have just 20 years. So there need to be another 4 generations in the future.
Theo Jansen's strand beasts are found all over the world, on beaches and in exhibitions. Jansen hopes that other people will continue to refine his constructions.
They will survive and hopefully inspire younger people to go on with this. And so as soon as they have spread out my ashes over the beach, then maybe the new generations are going on with this.